everybody. Happy Thursday evening. Happy summer as well. Doing a little unboxing haul. I got 3 different mystery dumpling squishies. We got the glow-in-the-dark mystery squishy dumpling. We've got a tie-dye mystery squishy dumpling. And we have a mystery squishy dumpling. I stopped at Canadian Tire today, and when I was in the checkout line, I saw these. So, figured, why not do a little unboxing video? So we're going to start with the mystery squishy dumpling, and these are all the choices of what we could get. I've been keeping my eye out for dumplings because they're just so cool. I got a yellow one. What's this yellowy colored one? I think this is Johnny. So this guy is that one right there. So cool. But yeah, I just love how they squish. I love squishies. That's my 3rd dumpling squishy so far. So there's that one. And now for the tie-dye squishy. And these are all the choices. So let's see what we get out of this one. Oh, purple, and it's actually kind of, right, they are tie-dyed. Never mind, I was going to say it's kind of tie-dyed, but it is a tie-dye one. It's a purple one. So this one's Lorelei. The other one, yeah, so I got a Johnny, and I got a Lorelei. So that makes 4 total, because don't know if you've seen my other unboxing videos or little unboxing things in the past where I had this one as well as the first one I got when I went to Victoria with Jordan. But I got those 2. And now for the last one. The last one is the glow-in-the-dark mystery squishy dumpling. These are the choices. And let's see what we got. Got a blue one. What's the blue one? Gentry. Okay. So, cute little blue one, which apparently glows in the dark. That was not too smart. I went like this to go try and see, and then I squeezed it, and it squished out like right towards my eye. But honestly, I love little stress balls. I love stress balls and whatnot, and dumplings are awesome for that. And these ones are, I think, filled just with air. Yeah, I don't know if it's air or what, but compared to my first squishy that I got out of a mystery dumpling one, which I got from the showcase, this one's got actual like liquid in it that I can see when I go like that. I can just hear the difference in it. But yeah, that's all my squishies. That's the haul. Happy Thursday.